Looking at the Carnival Breeze, this Dream Class vessel has been making waves in the cruise industry since 2012. With its impressive 130,000 gross tonnage and capacity for nearly 3,700 guests, this ship strikes an interesting balance between size and accessibility. What immediately catches your attention is how Carnival has managed to pack so much into this floating resort without making it feel overwhelming like some of the mega ships out there. The ship operates primarily from popular home ports like Miami and Port Canaveral, which makes it incredibly convenient for most American cruisers. You won't have to deal with complicated flight connections to exotic departure ports. The itineraries focus heavily on Caribbean destinations, hitting all the classics like Cozumel, Grand Cayman, and the always popular Nassau. When it comes to accommodations, the Carnival Breeze offers something for virtually every budget and preference. The interior staterooms clock in at around 185 square feet, which honestly isn't spacious but gets the job done if you're planning to spend most of your time exploring the ship anyway. These rooms come with the standard amenities you'd expect, including flat-screen TVs, mini fridges, and climate control that actually works properly. The ocean view cabins bump up the space slightly to around 210 square feet and give you that all-important window to the outside world. Some of these do have obstructed views though, so make sure you're reading the fine print when booking. The balcony staterooms are where things get more interesting, ranging from 205 to 275 square feet with your own private outdoor space. For families, the Family Harbor balcony cabins are worth the extra cost. These rooms accommodate up to 6 people comfortably with bunk beds and pull-out sofas, plus you get exclusive access to the Family Harbor Lounge. The junior suites step things up with around 300 square feet and enhanced amenities, while the Havana Cabana suites offer something completely different with access to a private Cuban-themed area. The dining scene on Carnival Breeze is where the ship really starts to show its personality. The main dining room serves up classic American cruise fare in a traditional 2-seating format. Nothing revolutionary here, but the execution is solid and the variety keeps things interesting throughout your cruise. The service staff generally does a good job keeping things moving without feeling rushed. Guy's Burger Joint deserves special mention as one of the better complimentary casual dining options at sea. Celebrity chef Guy Fieri's influence is obvious in the gourmet burger creations with creative toppings that go way beyond your typical cruise ship fare. The location poolside makes it perfect for a casual lunch without having to change out of your swimwear. Blue Iguana Cantina brings Mexican street food vibes to the Lido deck with fresh tacos and burritos made to order. The quality here is surprisingly good for complimentary cruise ship Mexican food. Cucina del Capitano represents the specialty dining side with Italian trattoria-style cuisine, featuring handmade pastas and authentic antipasti platters for an additional fee of around $15 to $30 per person. The Seafood Shack offers casual fried fish baskets and fresh catches near the pool area, while the various bars and lounges each have their own character. The Red Frog Rum Bar focuses on tropical cocktails. The Alchemy Bar crafts, made-to-order cocktails with fresh ingredients, and the Piano Bar provides live music entertainment throughout the evening. Pool facilities on the Carnival Breeze cater to different preferences without feeling cramped, despite the ship's size. The main pool area buzzes with activity throughout the day, featuring multiple pools that accommodate families while maintaining enough space for everyone to find their spot. The design keeps the energy high without becoming chaotic, which is no small feat given the passenger capacity. The adults-only Serenity Retreat provides a welcome escape from the family-friendly mayhem of the main pool deck. This secluded area features its own pool, hot tubs, and comfortable lounging areas where you can actually hear yourself think. The positioning away from the main entertainment areas makes it genuinely peaceful, not just marketed as such. Hot tubs are scattered strategically throughout the upper decks, giving you options whether you want to socialize or find a quieter spot. The water slide, while not as elaborate as those found on newer ships, still provides entertainment for kids and adventurous adults. The splash park and playground areas are thoughtfully designed for younger children, with age-appropriate water features. Outdoor lounging options include both complimentary deck chairs and premium cabanas available for reservation fees. The sports facilities feature a basketball half-court and mini-golf putting green on the upper decks, though notably missing the rock climbing walls found on some sister ships. Entertainment and activities aboard the Carnival Breeze lean heavily into the fun-focused atmosphere the cruise line is known for. The IMAX theater showing first-run movies sets this ship apart from many competitors, offering a genuine cinematic experience at sea. The large-scale production shows feature Broadway-style performances with themes ranging from musical genres to storytelling that captures the ship's energetic vibe. Live music performances happen regularly across various lounges and pool deck stages, creating different atmospheres throughout the ship. The casino includes the standard slots and table games like blackjack and poker, while the nightclubs offer DJ dance parties that can go quite late into the night. Daily activities range from trivia contests and games to dance classes and yoga sessions. The onboard enrichment programs include cooking demonstrations and classes led by the ship's chefs, which provide genuine value for guests interested in learning new skills. Special themed cruises occasionally take over the ship with events like 80s nostalgia weekends or family fun weeks that transform the entire atmosphere. The Cloud9 spa facilities provide a comprehensive wellness experience with massages, facials, body wraps, manicures, and pedicures available at additional cost. The facilities include sauna, steam room, hydrotherapy tubs, and relaxation lounge areas that create a genuinely peaceful environment. The fitness center comes well equipped with treadmills, bikes, free weights, and stretching zones. Group fitness classes include yoga, Pilates, and Zumba sessions led by qualified instructors. Wellness programs occasionally focus on mindfulness and nutrition guidance, though these tend to be more sporadic than the regular fitness offerings. The spa hours accommodate both early risers and night owls, typically opening early morning and staying open until late evening. The pricing for spa services falls in line with industry standards, meaning it's not cheap, but the quality generally justifies the cost. The hydrotherapy facilities are particularly impressive, offering genuine therapeutic benefits rather than just being marketing gimmicks. For families traveling with children, the Carnival Breeze excels in providing age-appropriate programming and facilities. Camp Ocean serves ages 2 through 11 with supervised playrooms, games, art projects, and activities designed to keep kids engaged while giving parents some downtime. Circle C targets the 12 to 14 age group with social games, music, and events that bridge the gap between kid and teen activities. Club O2 caters to older teens aged 15 through 17 with lounge spaces, video games, and dance parties that feel age-appropriate without being patronizing. The Family Harbor category cabins provide exclusive access to lounge and playroom spaces designed for families wanting a quieter environment while maintaining kid-friendly amenities. Onboard childcare and babysitting services are available upon request, though availability can be limited and additional fees apply. The stateroom configurations and family cabins genuinely accommodate larger groups comfortably using pull-out sofas and bunk beds where applicable, making it practical rather than just possible to cruise with extended family groups. Shore excursions and port experiences vary widely depending on your chosen itinerary, but the Caribbean focus means you'll hit popular destinations like Cozumel, Nassau, St. Thomas, and St. Martin. Most ports allow direct docking without tender boats, making embarkation and disembarkation much smoother than some smaller island destinations that require tendering. The ship-organized excursions cover the full spectrum from cultural tours and historical site visits to snorkeling, beach days, adventure activities like ziplining, kayaking, and local culinary experiences. Both ship-organized excursions booked pre-cruise or onboard and independent exploration options work well depending on your travel style and budget considerations. Some uniquely curated flagship excursions get promoted seasonally, including eco-tours and private island beach barbecue events that provide experiences you can't easily arrange independently. The excursion desk staff generally provides helpful guidance without being overly pushy about upselling premium options. Taking an overall look at the Carnival Breeze, this ship delivers solid value for money without trying to be something it's not. The strengths clearly lie in family-oriented activities, kids clubs that actually work, vibrant entertainment lineups suitable for diverse tastes, and the balance between affordability and comfort. The convenient U.S. home port locations enable flexible scheduling that works for most American families. The weaknesses become apparent when compared to premium cruise lines, with limited ultra-luxury accommodations and some inconsistencies in food quality and service speed. Noise levels can affect certain cabin categories due to their proximity to entertainment and public spaces, which is worth considering when selecting your stateroom location. This ship works best for families seeking active vacations, couples wanting a relaxed and informal atmosphere, and solo travelers looking for budget-friendly options. It's less suitable for luxury seekers expecting high-end exclusivity or those requiring very specific accessibility accommodations who should contact Carnival directly before booking. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video is helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our Best Cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.